Time to give new life to this old shirt I haven't worn in years. Looks pretty boring right now, but I have an idea for what we can do with these pockets. After popping a magazine underneath to save the back from any damage, I'm going in with the black sharpie. And now it's time to start doodling. Sometimes making the first mark is the hardest part. But here we go, we're starting off with an eye. And then maybe some squiggly doodles. And then you just keep going and the pattern starts forming itself. If you ask me what I'm drawing here, I can confidently tell you I have no idea. But sometimes I just wing it and it works out in the end. And why not add in a little bird? Hey there, little fella, how you going? Voila, we finished the pocket. And guess what? It didn't even bleed through. The magazine saved us. The Sharpie smudged a little bit, but it doesn't look that bad. Next, we got to give this a good old iron for about 5 minutes to set it. Hopefully this works. I iron this with another fabric on top, and remember, do not use steam, otherwise it will smudge the ink. Alright, no damage done. I also popped this in the dryer for about 10 minutes to help it set. And now for a very conservative and cautious water test. And it works! Woohoo! No smudging. And voila! Now we got ourselves a brand new reinvigorated doodle shirt.